Take a deep breath and allow yourself to settle into this moment of infinite possibility, because the sooner you understand that your mind contains the same creative intelligence that has generated every fortune in human history, the sooner you'll discover that million-dollar ideas are not rare gifts bestowed upon the lucky few, but natural expressions of focused intention and unwavering belief. Have you ever noticed how certain people seem to effortlessly attract opportunities and wealth while others struggle endlessly despite working just as hard? You might be surprised to find that as you continue to listen to these words, your subconscious mind is already beginning to align with the vibrational frequency of abundance, opening channels of creativity and insight that have been waiting for your conscious permission to emerge. I'm curious about which memory will surface first as you remember a time when you had a brilliant idea that excited you, when you felt that electric sensation of possibility coursing through your body. Perhaps it was a solution to a problem others couldn't solve, or maybe it was a vision of something that could help thousands of people while creating tremendous value. You already know what genius feels like when it flows through you, don't you? As you imagine your mind as a powerful receiving station, perfectly tuned to pick up inspired ideas from the infinite intelligence that surrounds us all, you might wonder how naturally your thoughts are beginning to organize themselves around opportunity rather than limitation. The question isn't whether you have access to million-dollar insights, but how quickly you'll recognize them when they appear, and how boldly you'll act upon them. You see, there once was a person who believed that wealth was meant for others, that great ideas were beyond their reach, that success required connections and advantages they didn't possess. Sound familiar? This person worked hard but remained focused on what they lacked rather than what they could create. But one day, something shifted. They began to understand what Napoleon Hill discovered, that thoughts become things, and when you hold a definite chief aim with burning desire and unwavering faith, the universe conspires to make it reality. I'm not going to tell you to expect overnight success, but you might find it fascinating how some people discover that when they align their thoughts, emotions, and actions with their deepest purpose, opportunities begin appearing so frequently it seems almost magical. You don't have to understand exactly how this works, but perhaps you can allow yourself to believe that your success is not only possible, but inevitable. Let me ask you this. What if the million-dollar idea you're seeking is already trying to reach you, but your doubts and limiting beliefs are acting like static interference, preventing clear reception? Well, as you continue to breathe and relax, that interference is naturally clearing away, allowing your true creative genius to emerge with crystal clarity. Speaking to yourself now, remind yourself that every fortune began as a thought in someone's mind, someone who decided to think differently about what was possible. The sooner you embrace what Carol Dweck calls a growth mindset, understanding that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work, the sooner you'll recognize that creating wealth is a learnable skill, not an inherited gift. As you feel your energy naturally aligning with abundance and possibility, notice how your mind is beginning to see solutions where others see problems, opportunities where others see obstacles. This is what Jim Rohn meant when he said you must work harder on yourself than you do on your job, because when you develop yourself, opportunities develop around you. You already know what it feels like when inspiration strikes, when an idea arrives with such clarity and excitement that you can't wait to take action, don't you? That feeling is your inner genius awakening, your connection to what Joseph Murphy called the subconscious mind's infinite intelligence. People who create extraordinary wealth learn to recognize these moments and act upon them with complete faith in their eventual success. I can sense that you're beginning to feel a shift in your relationship with money and success. A growing understanding that abundance is not something you chase, but something you align with vibrationally. Those who understand the teachings of Abraham Hicks recognize that when you consistently feel good about wealth, when you appreciate the prosperity you already have and expect more to flow to you, you become a magnet for financial opportunity. Here's an interesting thing about million-dollar ideas. They often seem obvious in retrospect, but they require someone with the vision to see their potential and the courage to act when others hesitate. As you continue to open your mind to possibilities, you might be surprised to discover how many problems around you are actually invitations for innovation. How many frustrations in your daily life could become the foundation for profitable solutions? You may not be aware yet of how your subconscious mind is already beginning to notice patterns and connections that your conscious mind might miss. Perhaps you'll find yourself drawn to learning about industries you've never considered, or maybe you'll discover that your unique combination of skills and experiences positions you perfectly to solve problems others can't even see. Have you realized yet how every challenge in your life has been preparing you for the contribution you're meant to make to the world? This understanding is what Louise Hay taught about the power of positive thinking, that every experience, even the difficult ones, contains seeds of wisdom and strength that can be transformed into service and prosperity. Something tells me you're the kind of person who, when struck by inspiration, doesn't just dream about possibilities, but takes immediate action to bring them into reality. Those who create lasting wealth understand what Napoleon Hill called the habit of decision. They decide quickly and change their minds slowly, rather than procrastinating on opportunities that could transform their lives. You might wonder how to distinguish between a good idea and a truly great one, and here's where the teachings of Norman Vincent Peale become invaluable. The ideas that feel aligned with your deepest values and highest purpose, the ones that excite you and scare you simultaneously, those are often the ones with the greatest potential for both impact and profit. I know you're already beginning to feel that familiar stirring of excitement, that sense that your breakthrough moment is closer than you've ever imagined. The question isn't whether you'll have $1 million idea, but how prepared you'll be to recognize it and act upon it when it arrives. Because as Frederick Dodson teaches, reality creation happens when you align your energy with your desired outcome and take consistent action from that aligned state. As you imagine yourself 6 months from now, fully engaged in bringing your inspired idea to life, notice how naturally the resources, connections, and opportunities you need begin flowing toward you. This isn't wishful thinking. This is what Jack Canfield calls the law of attraction in action. When you become absolutely clear about what you want and why you want it, when you visualize it with emotion and take consistent action toward it, the universe responds with support. You don't have to have all the answers right now, because the sooner you understand that clarity comes through action, not contemplation, the sooner you can start with whatever feels most aligned and let your path unfold organically. Even Thomas Edison didn't know exactly how the light bulb would work when he began, but he had definite faith that he would discover the solution through persistent experimentation. I'm getting the impression that you understand the difference between hoping for success and expecting it with absolute certainty. People who create extraordinary wealth don't just wish for opportunities. They prepare themselves mentally, emotionally, and practically to recognize and seize the chances that are always available to those who know how to see them. Have you ever noticed how successful people seem to have extraordinary luck, but when you look closer, you realize they've positioned themselves to benefit from opportunities that others overlook or dismiss? Well, that positioning begins with your internal alignment, your unwavering belief that you deserve abundance, and your commitment to providing tremendous value to others. As you continue to breathe and feel your creative intelligence expanding, you might find yourself naturally beginning to ask better questions. What problems do people in my network consistently complain about? What skills do I have that could be packaged into valuable services? What frustrated you today that could become tomorrow's business opportunity? Your genius mind already knows the answers. It's just waiting for you to ask with genuine curiosity and expectation. The person you're becoming doesn't wait for perfect conditions to pursue their $1,000,000 vision. They understand what Jim Rohn taught, that you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Every day you postpone taking action on your inspired ideas is another day your future wealth remains in potential rather than manifestation. You might be surprised to discover how quickly doors begin opening when you commit fully to your vision and begin taking daily action toward its realization. How naturally the right people appear in your life at exactly the right time. How effortlessly resources become available when you're aligned with your highest purpose and unwavering in your determination to succeed. And as you feel that spark of inspiration beginning to ignite within you right now, remember that this moment is the beginning of everything changing, because your $1,000,000 idea isn't coming from outside of you. It's emerging from the infinite creative intelligence that you are, and it's ready to transform not only your financial reality, but your entire understanding of what's possible when you align your mind with abundance and take inspired action toward your definite chief aim.